Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Words for Wonder. Today is day 8 of our 30-day vocabulary building challenge. Let's get started. Today's word of the day is snowflake. क्या आपने बर्फ के क्रिस्टल्स को ध्यान से देखा है? जैसे हर एक क्रिस्टल जितना अनोखा होता है, उतना नाजुक भी होता है। और ये बर्फ के क्रिस्टल बहुत जल्दी टूट भी जाते हैं। ठीक उसी तरह कुछ इंसान भी ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं। ऐसे इंसानों के लिए इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में एक बहुत अच्छा शब्द है स्नोफ्लेक। Snowflake is defined as someone who is extremely sensitive and easily hurt. In हिंदी, ऐसा व्यक्ति जो अति संवेदनशील हो और बहुत जल्दी आहत हो जाता हो। In other words, snowflake is someone who is easily affected by things that may not bother others. A person can be called snowflake if they are sensitive to criticism and certain situations. It is an informal word and often used disapprovingly. In some cases, it can be considered offensive. This word is also used to describe someone who expects special treatment or consideration. While the word snowflake is used in negative contexts, but it is important to remember that such a person is more emotionally aware and sensitive. So this trait might promote empathy and kindness instead of conflicts. Okay, let's look at some examples now. When it comes to politics, people often become snowflakes, reacting strongly to views that do not align with their own. Let's look at another example. In customer service sector, employees often encounter customers who are snowflakes. On social media, people are often called snowflakes when they react strongly to posts and comments that challenge their opinions. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something new. If you like my content, please feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Have a